Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Z. So again, in previous video, I showed you how you can install Z editor on Windows. Now I will show you how you can sync up. So uh, you need to first install the application on your machine. Then the process is pretty much the same on Mac and Linux. Uh, the same as on Windows. So to sign in, you will need to look at the top right corner of the editor window and click here sign in. So as you can see, sign in button right here. Okay, so click on sign in and we will be redirected right here on this web page. Now you can put in your username, email, password, or you can use Google or continue with Apple. So we will go with Google and here we will select our email. Okay, like that, and authorize. All right. So here we need to agree with terms of service and privacy and sign up with GitHub, just like that. You have successfully signed into Z and can close this at any time. So if we go here, as you can see, now we are basically logged in and we can start using this Z editor. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.